Honda CRV wheel bearing replacement. The wheel is 3/4. Brake caliper is 14 millimeter. Brake caliper mount, 2 19 millimeter bolts, 12 millimeter on the brake line bracket. Tie rod nut is 19 millimeter. 17 millimeter on the top mount bolt. Little Phillips screw here in the rotor. Also a 19 millimeter on the bottom or lower control arm ball joint bolt. ABS sensor wire, 10 millimeter. 36 millimeter on the axle nut. We got it off and on the table. It's a press part. You got a keeper right there. Got to pop out before you can take the bearing out. When you press the new bearing in, make sure you press the magnet side to the ABS sensor. New bearing pressed in, ready to go back together. Then you got the tie rod, the strut bolt to tighten up, the lower control arm bolt, nut, cotter pin, speed sensor, 10 millimeter, put it back in, 12 millimeter for the brake line bracket. Tighten the axle nut and ready for the tire.